The product development horizontal focuses on providing services to developers that work in student administration, business administration, and teaching and learning. Product development is comprised of the following departments: infrastructure, data science, DevOps services, architecture, and content creators. There are 4 teams within the infrastructure department: Student Information System Core, User Interface, Application Programming Interface, and Search Team. The infrastructure's team's main purpose is to make the other developers' jobs easier and maintain consistency throughout the product. The infrastructure team are like plumbers to a newly constructed house. They know what pipes to use and how to assemble them to make water flow out of the sink. The homeowner cares about when they turn the knob on the sink, water flows out of it. The infrastructure team cares about all the materials, assembly, and welding that needs to happen in order for the water to flow out of the sink properly. Infrastructure simplifies complex algorithms. These are contained into reusable components that other development teams use. Infrastructure handles a large number of different technologies of the campus products. They ensure the technologies are easily understood and consumed by all development teams. The SIS team is responsible for any SIS component considered core. The SIS core component is a component that is used by more than one vertical or shared components like the SIS login. The responsibilities of the team include fixing bugs, implementing new features in the core components, and designing new components or services, like report services, used by the teams in any vertical. The UI team builds consistent-looking user interface assets housed in software libraries. When other development teams use these assets, it ensures that the product looks and operates consistently everywhere. The Application Programming Interface, also known as the API team, designs and constructs libraries, which are a set of code and tools other developers can use in their respective areas. An API is like a middleman between 2 pieces of software, or between hardware and software. It makes the communication much easier between the 2. It is like when a construction crew works together to create a new house. One team builds the framework, and then that is handed off to room assemblers. The room assemblers grab frames from the pile the framing team created. This saves time in the process. The room assemblers also have flexibility that can create a square room or a rectangular room based on the specific job requirements. The libraries that the API team creates help save time for other developers, and the tools can be reused across different development teams. The search team focuses on central services supporting the SIS product, like Elasticsearch and the Campus Digital Repository. Elasticsearch is a tool they started to use to provide advanced search capabilities in the Infinite Campus SIS. Campus Digital Repository is the centrally hosted campus document repository that district customers are using in Infinite Campus to upload and share documents. The infrastructure team provides a foundation structure and reusable assets to the rest of the development teams.